Meanwhile, Nepal's Supreme Court has issued an interim order to the government to temporarily register same-sex marriages. A single judge bench issued an order allowing sexual and gender minority couples to register their marriage if they wish to. The bench noted that this would ensure equality of every individual before the law. LGBTQ activists, in an effort to legalize same-sex marriage, submitted a writ petition to the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. As per the petitioners, a Nepalese law obstructs same-sex marriage. This despite a 15-year-old Supreme Court decision which allows such marriages in the absence of a specific law. The provision of the Supreme Court ruling could not be implemented. This forced the third gender people to go to the court. Following a preliminary hearing, the single justice bench concluded same-sex marriages must be registered as per Clause 69(1) of the National Civil Code 2017, which mentions that each individual citizen has the freedom to marry. More on this from our correspondent Saloni Mararka, who has sent us this report from Kathmandu.
Same-sex marriages are finally to be legalized in Nepal. In a landmark decision, the Supreme Court directed the government to temporarily register the marriages of same-sex couples. The protection of the LGBTQI rights and the fundamental rights of the community was initially recognized in the Constitution of Nepal, the constitution that was finalized in 2015. But however, the Civil Code of Nepal forbids the same sex of marriage, and therefore the petition was filed. This milestone is being celebrated by the human rights organization and the queer community across the country. And now, after the decision of the Supreme Court, this process will now undergo in the Parliament. Saloni Mararka for WION World in Kathmandu, Nepal.